So, putting the top rail on is proving very tricky. Even though I've got all the bolts, you can see it's not going on straight at all. And it's following this old one. If you see the one on the inside, this is the old one at the bottom. This is the old one here. And that's reasonably flush with this. So the whole thing is distorted over time. So we've got to use some ropes and props to pull it all into position before the top arches are put on. Otherwise they'll be under a lot of pressure. So it's not as easy as it looks. Not that it looks easy. I'll be back. So the top outer rail is ready to be bolted, and then a lot of work's got to be done to get it straight. It's reasonably level, that's one thing that's good. I had a bit of an accident yesterday. This little fella here, very sharp, was sticking upwards in these roots, and I trod on it and it went in about that far into my foot. I've already had enough tetanus shots, so I don't ever need another one. So I've probably healed up already, but it hurt a little. So anyway, I'm going to focus on this. Soon it'll be finished. Saturday the 30th of May, and I've started putting the curved roof bars on, which are fitting quite well. This front edge is very straight, and this one isn't straight yet, and that will be straightened up somehow. And the system here is a spacer can be put in, and these bolts can be adjusted so we get exactly the right width, and then it can't feasibly be wrong if the front edge over there is straight, which it is, because these are all exactly the same length. That's what I think anyway. I could be wrong. So, nice week's work. So the top two rails are in, and all the rails across the top are bolted in. And the spacers are in, which hold this. This is for the door to slide along. I'm not even sure if I'm going to put the door on, but it's all coming together now. So the next one will be coming down here. We're putting a window in here, critical window. This is the inside of the back rail. Front rail's already been done. So we've got two rails and the first row underneath it. And this is the other side. All coming along. Looking good. Taken a lot of work to get the kind of tension and torsion out of it. It's distorted all over the place, but it's getting pulled back into its place by these great big coach bolts. A gentle bit of love and affection.